All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm JustMoparJoe. This
I'm Nick.
is Just Mopar Nick.
Yeah.
Whatever. We're big block poor. This is Nick's 440. Tell us about it, Nick.
Well, it's a 440 going in a 69 Charger RTSE. It's not the original motor, but it's the one we got. And it is a 69 HP. It's got the E440.
Cylinders look pretty good, man. What date? You said it had a date code on it?
Yeah, it's just barely a 69. The date code is 6/3 of 68.
Okay.
So anything after June 1st, my understanding, makes it a 69.
Got a big rib here. A lot of people compliment the ribbage. For sure.
But she's not in bad shape.
No, looks good. This will be about, what do we say, 10.5 to 1 roller motor.
Trick flow 240s.
They saw that in my other video. I'll put a link somewhere for them.
Yep.
So we got it unloaded, ready to go to E&D Edge machine, and get the works. So it'll be a build when it gets back. You want to tell them about our pride and joy there? This is the big 400. Got it.
Big plans for this 400.
Big plans. Got it running in a video. You might have saw that already. I don't know if I posted it yet or not. And then in the corner over there, that's a 440. It's going to turn into I think a 512 or 508 stroker. I got to build it on the channel too. So we got big blocks everywhere.
Big block pour.
We're big block poor. We got big block plans. So thank y'all for watching. I just wanted to give you an update. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks to Uncle Tony for watching. Welcome to the channel.